Fresh morning out here at the collapsing corner store project, and every day we're here, just a little bit more collapse and a little bit more new. Let's get inside and check things out. So last time we were here, we got a bunch of actual floor in the back, and we're going to start working forward toward the camera over here on the right side. So grab a saw, got more to cut out. Gonna grab a nail gun, got more subfloor to put down. So let's get at it. Do not move, store use. Then why did they send it to us? Falling.
One second.
It's a shame this basement isn't just a little bit shorter, so you didn't need a ladder or something to pick these up. But the nice thing with the beam is side to side. It's really easy, although, what do you got, tight pocket?
I got a tight one. I don't want to tear it up.
Ruh-roh. Yep, gonna need to do a little work on that.
Just one.
Try two.
Hey, look at that.
Yeah, that looks better. Well, joists are coming out easily, but we got a bit of a conundrum with the new work going back in. This back, if you remember, is falling really nicely on centers, and it's pretty much square. We haven't been having to do goofy angle custom stuff like we had to do next door and other places. But then we got here to the other side of the stairs, and so that second joist in past Dave to one of the joists back further that I know is on a good square layout is 1.5 inches less distance on the right side than it is over here on the left side. Where are we losing that? There's different measurements at that end versus the beam as well, spacing wise. So and they were continuous joists. That's where they were. So what happened between the nice work back there and up here that they start going crooked? I don't know. These people are long dead. Don't think we can ask them. Maybe we'll conjure up some spirits and figure it out. We are starting to get close to Halloween. It is spooky season. So it is what it is. We're going back in the pockets. So I guess we just run with it and see what that means layout wise for the subfloor. Now we do need to use this as a break point as well, because I think we need to get a little further from the wall as it gets toward the front. It seems to come in a little as well. Tough to say exactly. We gave ourselves 1.5 inches spare space in the back off the brick, and that worked out nicely, but it's going to start getting tighter according to the chalk line we pulled, and then gets down to like 47 total inches. I don't really feel like doing rips, but this is a natural break point at the steps because it's just one piece on each end as it comes through. So if we're going to make adjustments, that's the spot to make adjustments. Meanwhile, that pocket's cleaned out. Yeah. Well, it didn't quite go far enough in to go halfway across the beam, though. So it either needs a little trim, a tap, or a clean. Oh, well. It just needed a shove. Perfect. I guess. I don't know. I don't know. I can't see. Well, it's because subfloor is still there. I think it's just catching.
No, catching it.
We haven't cut back that far on the other side. Need to take just another piece. But I can't do it because, as you guys know, I don't actually do the work. Just to prove I do. Well, that's solid. The heck did they do to this thing? Oh, had nailed through the center. Neat. Make sure it's crowned the correct way. Plenty.
Should have done that in the first place.
Okay. I don't know if you can tell, but these don't even look in line. Well, it is what it is. We'll just roll with it. You're pushing.
What?
You're pushing
Yeah,
out.
too far. I know, I've cut it. I was splitting the difference.
You're pushed out big time on this one too. With these joists here kind of shifting all over the place, the blocking's a little tricky since one end is at a different distance than the other end, so easiest solution we came up with there is measure each end, split the difference. Seems to work out. How many times can you flip it back to the same position?
I don't know. It did do what I wanted it to do. Yep, completely gone on that one too.
Next piece. Just put the adhesive down. A new art gallery's open in here. Apparently there was some nice artwork in the building caddy corner across the street. Drive the nails into the joists, please. Thank you. Bye-bye.
We knocked our other beam. Whoops. Back towards me a bit.
Just pull it down.
Yeah. Okay.
These are easy bands, they're nylon. Not under tension like the steel.
I'll walk for it.
What do you guys think? 100 pounds?
They're a little more now.
Okay. Just don't slide yourself down the steps. Well, that's one way. It's down. The middle didn't get as much sun, so it didn't dry out as much.
Get out of the way.
Don't ride it.
Wasn't planning.
It did by itself.
Wow.
Nothing more efficient than letting it just take itself down. Now, how much work is it to
We're standing up.
wiggle? That's smart. Yeah, and then you just pull it the other way.
Oh, it's dirty.
Is it goopy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody loves the good pressure treatment stuff. It feels wonderful. Like if you have a texture issue, that stuff is not
Don't go too high with me.
not good.
Oh, there we go. I just gotta.
We're losing it. We're losing it.
Looks like it's going there.
Doesn't matter.
Well, then
It goes where it wants to go.
yeah. Yeah, the last beam was a testament to that.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
That one I can actually stand up even easier. I still lose this one so quick this time. I didn't like that one.
How do you think I I was at the front of the runaway train.
Oh.
Alright. Oh.
When it hits all the blue one, all of a sudden.
Well, there's 5. Too bad we discovered we need 2 more. That's a problem for another day. Those will get delivered with the second floor 2x12s.
We know about it.
You can read, Dave?
No.
Oh, okay. That makes more sense.
That's what it is.
Ah, you like your picture books?
Yeah.
Me too. I read those a lot.
What?
I read those a lot in high school.
SLPS is best and brightest right there. Definitely making some good progress now. Still a little slower than I'd like, but that's kind of the nature of the beast as we figure things out, get things leveled out, straightened out, de-rotted, all that. But that's about, I don't know, half the first floor, give or take, something like that. So, end of the day, end of the week, and end of the video. So thanks for rebuilding with us. We'd really appreciate a like and a subscription if you haven't already done so. And share it with a friend. Share it wide. Share it proud. So next time, carry on forward. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video out here at the Collapsing Less Corner Store project.